Smart, smart, do. We are the children, we are the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, my fellow viewers. Welcome back to another exciting episode on Smart Edu Live, whereby we have social studies. This is start at 6, looking at a very interesting topic known as urbanization in Dar es Salaam. Okay. Now, as we start, the name Dar es Salaam means harbor of peace. Hey, such a wonderful name. I love the name, harbor of peace. Okay. So as we start, that's what we mean by Dar es Salaam. Now, it was developed by the Arab traders, just as the same way Mombasa came due to the Arab traders. In the same way, since Dar es Salaam is located at the coastline, hence developed due to trade between the locals, the local members, and the Arabs. Okay. Now, it was once the headquarters of Tanzania, as I said. Dar es Salaam was once the capital city of Tanzania, but they saw as if it was too far, being they needed some capital city at the center of Tanzania. So that's why Dar es Salaam was then moved from the capital city was then moved from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. But as we start, I want you to know it was the headquarters, once was the headquarters of Tanzania, but was later moved to Dodoma. So as we start to look at the functions of Dar es Salaam, functions of Dar es Salaam, functions of Dar es Salaam. Okay. Now, as we start, number one, we need to know it's a transport and communication center. It's a transport and communication center. So it's a transport and communication center. So by this we understand it has got the main international airport. It has got the main international airport in the area. We also have radio and television stations actually located in this place. As you can see, it's very funny and interestingly that we're not finding a lot of radio stations in Dodoma as they are compared to Dar es Salaam. So Dodoma actually has a lot of TV stations, has an international airport. Dodoma has domestic flights. It has an airport that deals with domestic flights. But Dar es Salaam has an international airport. So you find that Dar es Salaam is actually a major transport and communication center in Tanzania. And also they are connected by a railway line via the port to the port. So it's actually located, it's able connected by railway line via the port. Another one is that number two function of Dar es Salaam is that it's a seaport. So we have the Indian Ocean, okay, neighboring the town. That's Dar es Salaam, okay. So it's a seaport. It has good port facilities. So it has very good port facilities and handles most of the coastal trade, okay. So Dar es Salaam is one of the major. It's a seaport in the area of Tanzania, and it's actually grown due to the trade in that place, and hence even trade has really accelerated in the area due to the port, due to the harbor at Dar es Salaam. So actually it has good port facilities. It's a good seaport in the area. Another one is that it's an industrial center. Number three, it's an industrial center. So we find a lot of industries are located in the place. We have a lot of industries that are located in the place. So whereby these industries, they are such as we have meat processing, we have grain, we have oil milling, we have textile, and we have oil refining. Such as the way in Mombasa we have the oil refining. Also in Tanzania we have an oil refinery, so they are able to refine oil. So we find that this place is a key industrial center due to the many industries that are taking place in the area. Another one is a residential center. Residential center. This is where you find that most of the residents live in this place. They're able to reside in this place. So it's a residential center. You find that most of the people reside in this place. So many people live around the area, live around this place. So actually it's a major residential center. It's a major residential center. So as this space, people are living around, it's a major residential center. Another one, we need to know that it's a tourist center. It's a tourist center. We find this place is able to attract a lot of tourists. It has got beautiful beaches and hotels. So the area is a good tourist center. Actually, tourists are attracted by the warm weather around the coastal region. They are attracted by the beaches that are there, the hotels that are there. They're really good. So it's a good tourist center where tourists are able to come and have a good recreation time, and they have good recreation facilities in the area. Another one, it's an educational center. It's an educational center whereby education is able to take place in the place, whereby we have the University of Salaam. We have the Salaam University, which is also another old university or education in Eastern Africa. So educational center where we have education that takes place in the place. So thank you so much for your time. Have a blessed day as you go through the functions of Salaam. Thank you so much. God bless.